Hi guys, welcome to JSK Kitchen. Today we're gonna make peanut butter cupcake in a microwave in just few minutes. So let's start with the ingredients. We're gonna take some flour, 6 tablespoons of flour. This is plain white flour. Then we're gonna take 1/4 cup of sugar. One egg. We're gonna take 2 tablespoons of butter, melted butter. And 2 tablespoons of peanut butter. And last, we're gonna add 1 teaspoon of baking powder. And we're gonna mix all up, everything mixing nicely. And then we're gonna microwave this mug for 90 seconds. And we're gonna have delicious vanilla cake. This is very good for kids. So let's start cooking. This is gonna look really nice once it's done. All right, I'm gonna put this mug in a microwave. All right, we're gonna take this delicious peanut butter cake. Oh my gosh, it looks so good. Wow, look how delicious. Wow, look at the texture. Oh my God, this looks fantastic. Wow, this is great. Look how spongy it is. Wow, this is good. Ooh, mouth-watering. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe to this channel. Look how good this